Have you been wanting to make a nice, creamy, and delicious body butter? If you said yes, then you've made it to the right video because I'm going to be taking you step by step of how to make the best body butter. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Artra, where we go over DIY, skincare, and body care products, a little bit of business, and then some mindset. So let's go ahead and get started. The equipment that you need to make body butter is a heat-safe container and a spatula. You're going to need some cocoa butter, mango butter, shea butter, cocoa butter, almond oil, coconut oil, and of course a hand mixer or a standing mixer. Once you have all of your ingredients, you've gathered all your ingredients, you are going to measure them out in your heat safe container. For the full recipe, you can grab my ebook that is in my website, or also join me on my coaching classes where I take my clients through a 4-month journey of making skincare and body care products with the full recipes and even different substitutions and ingredients so they can make the formulas their own. Once you have all your ingredients, you're going to use a double boiler method like this one and put your ingredients in so that it can melt all of the way down. You want it to melt slowly down. Once it is fully melted, you want to cover it up so that it can cool down. I like to cool mine off in the freezer, and I believe I did for this batch. I cooled it down for about an hour and a half. You want to pull it out of the freezer once it reaches a trace consistency like this one, where it is somewhat hardened but still also a little liquidy. I call it the liquid gold. And this is what the trace consistency looks like. It's kind of waxy. Once it reaches that trace consistency where it's a little bit waxy, you can now go ahead and use your hand mixer and begin mixing it for about 30 to 45 minutes. Or you can pour the ingredients into your standing mixer and let that mix for about the same amount of time, 30 to 45 minutes. While it's mixing, you want to go ahead and add in some arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder is what makes sure that it's not super oily on your skin and continues giving it a good consistency. I decided to separate my batch into 2 colors. So when doing that, when I want to pipe it, I get a plastic wrap, and then you're going to pour in your batches onto the plastic wrap. Now that it's nice and neat and contained, you can put your wrapped up body butter into a piping bag and start piping. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. If you would like just a little bit more help with your body butters, you can always grab my body butter or my soap ebook that's at my website, or also come on into one of my coaching classes. But I hope that you enjoyed it, and until next time, I hope you guys continue living in your purpose and creating beautiful things.